Well, hey, y'all in YouTube land. I'm going to try not to get in Michael's way here, but we're installing a new motherboard in the old case like I've been talking about. And it's an ASUS motherboard. It's running 4 gigs of RAM. Now, we don't want to bother Michael too much on this, so we're just going to videotape it. And for the hard drive, this is what we got for the hard drive. Right there. Oh, I got it upside down. My bad. See there? That's what we got for the hard drive. And we got some old extra RAM over here that we're going to test out and see. But yeah, folks, I can't get in there too deep because, well, like I said, we don't want to. I'll try to zoom in a little bit here. It's got the Intel fan on it. The old power supply. From when we did that computer over there. And this might become our bedroom computer. Do you need me to move, dear?
Yes, please.
I was in a bad spot for Mrs. Classic Mobile Home. Want to say hi, dear?
Hello, folks.
Unbought a dash. Oh, there we go. Let's see, it's kind of up there.
Now remember, try not to cuss, Michael, because you're on video.
That's what I said, bought the dash. Oh, there it is. I see it now. I wonder where it was. A little more. And that doesn't.
Every time I come over here, you need to get up or something. Are you allergic to me?
No, I drop a piece of bread on the floor.
Don't worry about it. Tiny will get it.
And there's a fork on the floor over there, but
And what he's doing now is he's installing all the connector wires.
Yes. My lord. What is this?
and this was on the floor at the same time.
That's 3. Mm.
I'm just kind of being quiet here, folks, while he does that because, well, he needs all the concentration he can get right now. Oops, sorry for my finger being in the way, folks. My bad. It's gonna be one of the longest videos that y'all got from me, huh? And we love all of our YouTube fans out there. And those of you that watch the videos that are not subscribed, if y'all would do me a favor and subscribe and comment and like, I'd appreciate that. But yeah, folks, this is our daily lives around here. I mean, this is not rehearsed and not scripted. This is just a daily life in the Classic Mobile Home family.
Yes, now which one is which? I suppose this is the 24 pin, of course. This one goes here. And then the 4 pin. Of course, I don't know exactly which one goes with. So We had two of them. I'm not sure which one goes in there. This one came with two of them. Of course, it's a 4-pin, no 6-pin. Oh dear. Not this one. It must be this one. But since it only has a 4-pin. Oh dear. There. Only 4-pin or 8-pin. I hope it's can. You'll have to.
Mrs. Classic Mobile Home, would you like to tell them what you're eating on?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Okay, now.
I'm eating steak and cheese and bread. I made it into a sandwich.
Which I cooked the steak, folks. There's Mighty Man. He's been in trouble today.
Yep. And I dropped a piece of cheese on the floor.
Oh, boy. Yeah. And there goes that.
All right, well, folks, we'll come back when we've done a little more on it.